Hummus recipe. 1 can 15 ounces chickpeas garbanzo beans, drained and rinse. 1/4 cup fresh lemon juice, about 1 large lemon. 1/4 cup well-stirred tahini, 1 small garlic clove, minced. 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, plus more for serving, 1/2 teaspoon ground cumin. Salt to taste, 2 to 3 tablespoons water. Optional, paprika, additional olive oil, chopped fresh parsley for garnish. 1. Prepare chickpeas. If you prefer a smoother hummus, you can remove the skins from the chickpeas. This is optional, but can make a noticeable difference in texture. 2. Blend tahini and lemon juice. In a food processor, combine the tahini and lemon juice and process for about 1 minute. This helps to whip the tahini, making the hummus creamier. Scrape down the sides and process for 30 seconds more. 3. Add garlic and spices. Add the minced garlic, olive oil, ground cumin, and a generous pinch of salt to the whipped tahini and lemon juice. Process for about 30 seconds, scrape the sides and bottom of the bowl, and then process for another 30 seconds. 4. Add chickpeas. Add half of the chickpeas to the food processor and process for 1 minute. Scrape down the sides and bottom of the bowl, then add the remaining chickpeas and process until thick and quite smooth, 1 to 2 minutes. 5. Adjust consistency with the food processor running. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water until you reach your desired consistency. 6. Taste and adjust. Taste for salt and adjust as needed. You can also add more lemon juice or garlic to taste. 7. Serve. Transfer the hummus to a serving bowl. Drizzle with a bit of olive oil and sprinkle with paprika and chopped fresh parsley if desired. Enjoy your homemade hummus with pita bread, fresh vegetables, or as a spread for sandwiches. I hope you like this recipe. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. And on which recipe to make next video, please let us know in the comment section. If you want to watch more delicious videos, I have put the link in the description, so don't forget check out the description.